Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be getting the wand from the Winterfest, the wand that you get from doing the challenges or the battles, whatever you want to call it. But we are going to be getting that. We are at 90%. You need 100% to get it. So we are going to be battling one of the snowmans to get it. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so we found the snowman, and let's get into the battle. I'm pretty sure I'm using my wizard right now, and let's see which pet we are facing. Okay, we are facing Florius. So I'm gonna switch to my Magmayhem because I just want to get this battle over with quickly. He's not gonna do a lot of damage right here. Yeah, 2094 damage, and we'll probably do a few thousand right here. Okay, so we got the question right. Let's see how much we do. 6,525. Very powerful. So we'll just use that again and finish up the battle and get ourselves the wand. Okay, so we got this question right as well, meaning that we are going to win the battle and get the wand. Okay, so we get our magic snowflakes and our gold coins, and there we go. We have completed it. Next week should be Hans or the goat. This is the snowball launcher. Let's wear that and see how it looks. Okay, so it does Winter's Breath. It has a heart bonus of 3. Wait, no, power bonus of 15. For some reason I was going with heart bonus and just making up a random one. A tool made for hurling snowballs at a high speed. So I'll take off my helmet so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. It looks like this. This is about the best view you can get of it. So yeah, I'm not going to do a battle with it, but that's pretty much going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and